In this video, I'll show you how to install Aviator Predictor on iPhone. Step 1. Downloading the app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Aviator Predictor and press search. Select the correct app from the search results, then click on the download button, usually a cloud icon or the get button. Step 2. Installing the app. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your home screen. If prompted, allow necessary permissions to complete the installation. Wait for the app icon to appear on your home screen once it's installed. Step 3. Setting up the app. Open the Aviator Predictor app from your home screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the app. You may need to sign in or configure settings. Ensure all settings are configured for optimal use. Now I have some troubleshooting tips. If the app won't download, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone has enough storage. If the app doesn't open after installation, try restarting your phone. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Ensure you have an active internet connection for the app to work properly. Always download apps from trusted sources like the App Store and check for updates regularly to enjoy the latest features and improvements. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and thank you for your time and attention. Stay tuned for more tech guides and subscribe.